Quick video is on how to switch from your page to your profile. Okay, in this case now, this is what I mean by three dots. This is my three dots here. So this is where we switch. This is where we switch. So when you tap on it, now in this case, you have your picture in both sides. This is your picture here. This is your picture here. So in other words, it might be convincing. So this is what you need to do. Tap on the drop down menu. This one. Tap on it. Then I'm on Word and You Ministry. So to switch to, because we have the same picture for the two. So to switch to the profile, I will come and click on my name, which is Martha Omede here. So tap on Martha Omede and it will switch to that. So it's switching. Okay. Now, when we go back to the same process again, this is my profile now. When we go back to the same process again, come to this place. Now, this area is where the switches are. So, this one is for profile, while this particular one here is for page. So this one is page. This one is profile. This one is profile. So to switch now, we come to the drop down arrow menu. This one. So from this one, now I have name here, which is profile. I have name here, which is profile. And I also have ministry name here, which is page. So, and with this highlighted, that means I'm on profile. So when I come to this side now, this arrow here, when I come to this, the other one that is not selected, it will take me to a page. So I hope this video will be of help. God bless you.